You are watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I did oven stuffed baked chicken with seasoned rice, Idaho potatoes, Irish potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, onion, scallion, and various other seasoning. So the seasoned rice is comprised of various assorted seasoning into the rice, and it was stuffed into the chicken and then baked whole into the oven. And this was the end result of that adventure. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is my delightful, delicious, yummy, tasty dinner of oven stuffed baked chicken with romaine lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, Irish or Idaho potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, onions, scallion, tomatoes, bacon bits, Caesar salad dressing, and this is my dinner for today. This is what I will be enjoying. Thank you for viewing. Please like and share, and please subscribe and support my channel. I will see you on another incredible, fantastic, yummy, delicious, tasty cooking adventure on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery